Hi everyone, I'm Dafe. The May Day holiday is coming up, and today I want to share a delicious potato chip recipe that kids absolutely love. These chips are perfect for road trips or outings, crispy, tasty, and they stay fresh for days. You can make a big batch in advance, and whenever you want to eat them, it only takes about 20 seconds to reheat. Super convenient and much safer than store-bought chips. Potato ingredients. For peeled potatoes, about 2 pounds. Salt. White pepper. 240 g pea starch, or substitute with potato starch. Optional, chili powder for a spicy kick. Adult cooking step-by-step instructions. 1. Steam the potatoes, slice the peeled potatoes evenly and place them on a steaming tray. Add cold water to the steamer and steam over high heat for 15 minutes. Use chopsticks to check, they should pierce easily. 2. Mash and season, transfer the steamed potatoes into a large bowl. Use a fork to mash until smooth. Add salt and white pepper to taste and mix well. Then add 240 g of pea starch and stir until it forms large, crumbly chunks. 3. Knead gently, switch to kneading by hand, gently form a dough ball. Since starch has no gluten, don't knead it like regular dough. Just press it together until it forms a smooth, moderately firm ball. 4. Shape and steam again, roll the dough into long strips on a floured surface, sprinkle some dry starch if it's sticky. Divide into 4 portions. Steam again for 15 minutes with just a couple of drops of water. 5. Cool and slice, after steaming, transfer to cold water to cool down. Once cooled and slightly hardened, slice into chips. Aim for a medium thickness, not too thin, they'll break, and not too thick, they'll be hard to eat. 6. Dry thoroughly, spread the slices out on a rack or tray. Let them dry completely in a sunny or well-ventilated area. After a day, they should make a rustling sound when stirred, this means they're ready. 7. Fry the chips, heat plenty of oil in a pot. When it starts smoking, reduce to low heat. Test with chopsticks, if you see small bubbles, it's ready. Add the dried potato slices and fry for about 13 to 15 seconds until they puff up. Stir gently and remove quickly so they don't burn. Fry in small batches for the best results. 8. Optional spice, while still hot, sprinkle with chili powder or your favorite seasoning. Once fully cooled, store in an airtight bag. Even after a week, they'll stay crispy and flavorful. I personally think these taste even better than store-bought chips. And since you're making them at home, you know exactly what's going into them. If you liked this recipe, feel free to save it, share it with friends, or check out more of my home-cooked dishes by clicking on my profile. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!